Hello there, it's RB, and this is going to be a new video series named Concepts of Computer Programming. And this video series is going to be awesome. Throughout all this video series, I'm going to give you some concepts of computer programming, what computer programming is, what is a programming language, and if you are going to learn any programming language, it can be Java, C Sharp, PHP, Pascal, COBOL, Python, anything. You will need these concepts everywhere. So this is where you really start before going to any programming language. So this is lesson 1, and throughout all the lessons we'll be explaining concepts of computer programming. So this is the first lesson. So before starting anything, the first question that strikes your mind is, what the heck is a computer program? Okay, in order to explain to you what is a computer program, I have to give you some examples and show you some pictures. So this is the first. Suppose it's a hot noon in a summer, and you want to drink some juice. So you tell your brother to make a juice, and you like lemon juice. But the problem is your brother doesn't know how to make a juice. So what you do is you give your brother some instructions. Okay, to make a juice. So first instruction is get the glass, then you tell him to put the water, then you tell him to add a lemon, and finally when the juice is ready you tell him to test it. So look at here it's very important. Here you are giving some instructions. This is one instruction, this is another instruction, this is another instruction, and this is also another instruction. So by all these instructions you are telling your brother to do something. And what is that doing something? That something is to make a juice. Yes. So in order to achieve this, you are giving him a lot of instructions. And here is a set of instructions. That is, whenever you have a bunch of instructions, you can achieve a task with those instructions. And that is what a program means. A program basically means a set of instructions. And whenever you do a task like this to achieve something in computers, you can call it a computer program. As an example, let me show you another picture. Here is a computer, and suppose you are a programmer. You are a programmer, you look like a rock star. Here your eyes, here you are a rock star programmer. So what you do is you want to give the computer some instructions because you want to perform some specific tasks. So what you do is you give the computer a bunch of instructions, some specific task. Here are some instructions, here are some instructions, and all these instructions have been stored inside the computer. So these instructions are called computer programs, and these are the programs that help you to achieve your goals. As an example, suppose you were a great programmer and you were building a computer game, a racing game. So in that game, the movement of the cars are decided by the programs that has been written previously for that. So the programmer has already written what will happen when you press the arrow key, when you press the space bar, when you press anything. So this is the process of computer programming. But there is a little problem. When you talk to many of your friends, what happens is you talk to him in your own language, you talk to him in your own language. It can be English, Spanish, Japanese, or anything. But whenever you talk to a computer, the computer is not so smart enough to understand English or Japanese or anything. So in order to make the computer understand what you are trying to say, you have to know the language which the computer understands. And there is a special language called binary, and that is what the computer understands. So in order to make computer programs, you have to know about binary language and the languages which the computer really can understand. So in this video we show what a computer program is and how can we really give instructions to computer, and in the next video we'll show what are the languages and how can we learn the languages the computer can understand. So in the next video we're going to talk about what is a programming language, and this is going to be really useful for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed a lot and like this video. Please subscribe and move on to the next video only after all your 4 concepts are being clear. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.